after an amazing couple days in Nusa Penida, checking out all the insane sights and sounds over there, I decided to move all the way up to the Gili Islands, which is right next to Lombok. The Gili Islands are a small set of islands here in Indonesia, the main one being Gili Trawangan, also known as Gili T. The plan was just to come up here and chill out and be totally lazy for a few days. Gili T is a super small island that you can bike around in less than an hour. Just had so many spots where you can chill out in front of the beach, and it had some of the freshest seafood that I've ever tried. You just pick it out and they just barbecue it right there in front of you. It's got a huge backpacker culture there, and it's a really fun place to just hang out for a couple days and go out at night. Oh, this is a nice boat. The Gili Islands are pretty famous for their snorkeling spots. I decided to hop on a tour. They'll take you all around to all these different spots around the islands and hopefully catch a sea turtle. Stumbled upon the viewpoint of Gili T, where you can see the sunset on top of the hill, right on top of the island. Even though Gili T was a super small island, it was still an amazing place to chill out and have a fun time here. So coming to Indonesia, originally I was just supposed to stay in Bali. But since the Gili Islands were so close to Lombok, I decided to head on over there and check it out. It was a super easy boat transfer from Gili T to Lombok, and after hearing a few recommendations of going to Kuta, I decided to head down south of Lombok and check it out. Lombok felt like a way more pure version of Indonesia. It was far less developed and it seemed almost untouched in some places. Me and my friend Tom checked out this bat cave and it was such a raw experience. It was insane.
All it stinks bad is bad. I hate this so much.
Roaches on the ground.
This is so nasty. This is gross.
Roaches on the ground. Oh, great. This is the grossest.
We decided to drive around and check out some of the beaches that Lombok has to offer. Driving around by motorbike and seeing all these beaches and all these places from the road, it really puts you in a whole different world and you can really see the true beauty of Indonesia. One of my friends told me to go check out this place called the Bukit Maris Hill, which is this hill that you have to climb all the way to the top to see one of the best sunsets in the world. Coming to Lombok was such a rich experience, and it was a whole new side of Indonesia that I have not seen before. From Lombok, I decided to take a super long journey all the way to the Komodo Islands. Join me next time as we enter the land of dragons and set foot in this whole new world. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel and leave a like.